Cutting metal can be difficult, labor-intensive, and often downright dangerous. Tin snips or grinders, shears, oxyacetylene or plasma cutters. They're dangerous, hot, produce sparks, leave burrs, or warped metal edges. They are difficult to control and expensive. Introducing the CaNibble, the powerful and versatile professional nibbler with a patented cutting action designed to make countless cutting jobs easier, faster, and safer. Fitting effortlessly into any standard drill, electric, battery, or air-powered, the CaNibble can glide through material up to 2 millimeters thick or 14 gauge, and to a radius as small as 8 millimeters or 5/16 of an inch. Sheet metal, corrugated material, pipes, complex profiles, powder-coated material, stainless steel, copper, aluminum, formica, plastic, fiberglass, even soft materials such as denim, leather, paper, or card. The CaNibble is so versatile, it can handle it all with ease. So how does the CaNibble work? Take a look at the CaNibble's patented cutting action. Driven by the circular motion of the drill, the case-hardened die and the high-speed steel cutting punch perform a rapid up and down motion, punching out the material on the upstroke into the die. This creates a precision, burr-free edge. No need for filing and no distortion of the material edge that you get with other cutting tools. Designed to impart the cutting pressure on the strongest part of the die, the CaNibble can cut up to 1,200 feet of metal on one punch. It's safe to touch, easy to work with, and is designed with care and attention to detail. That's why the CaNibble works beautifully and is the worldwide nibbler of choice. The CaNibble is a compact drill attachment that you can take with you anywhere you go. Cut in any direction and follow the profile of your material. Gutters, roof sections, metal drums, complex shapes or stencils can be cut with precision, as the CaNibble can move anywhere within 360 degrees. Forwards, backwards, left, right, and anywhere in between, right or left-handed. The maneuverability of the CaNibble over the material makes this an incredibly versatile tool for many uses. Using CaNibble's customized clamps and the CaNibble's straight and circle cutting attachment, you can also effortlessly cut beautifully straight cuts and perfect circles every time. DIY handymen, farmers, plumbers, electricians, roofers, panel beaters, car restorers, arts and craft. This is a powerful tool that will change the way you think about cutting sheet material and open up new possibilities that will save you time and effort on many jobs. This is the only professional nibbler in America with a fully patented cutting action. The CaNibble fits easily into any drill that works between 1,500 and 3,000 RPM and is so simple to use. Simply insert the drive shaft into the chuck of your drill and tighten the chuck, exactly like putting in a drill bit. When you start up the drill, the CaNibble will be ready to cut. To rotate the die within its 360 degrees of possible directions, slacken the nose cap with a wrench. Rotate the die to your desired position and retighten the nose cap. To change the punch or die, unscrew the nose cap with a wrench and withdraw the die. To remove the punch, unscrew the punch location screw and slide the punch out. To assemble the parts, slide the punch back through its location screw and tighten back into place. Replace the die over the punch, packed with high-temperature grease, and replace and tighten the nose cap. To cut out a circle, pre-drill two 25/64 inch or 10 millimeter holes, one in the center of the circle and one with its outer edge on the circumference of the circle. Affix the collar of the straight and circle cutting attachment to the die and tighten. Place the material over the die of the CaNibble and over the guide of the attachment, then tighten the guide screw. Start up your CaNibble and cut out the perfect circle. It's as simple as drawing a circle with a compass. To cut a straight edge, to mirror the straight edge of a new piece of material, for example, set the distance required between the collar of the attachment and the flat surface of the guide. Attach the collar to the die and then place the flat edge of the guide against the edge of the material. Then, cut the material with the CaNibble in the usual way. To use the bench clamps, you will need to attach them both to the neck of the drill and the body of the CaNibble, as drills vary in length. Put the neck of the drill into the collar of one clamp and tighten. Next, put the body of the CaNibble into the collar of the second clamp and tighten. This will put the clamps at the correct distance apart before you bench mount them. Next, clamp the entire assembly to the bench and screw into position. The CaNibble will fast become your favorite tool for cutting sheet material. Its patented, efficient, and effortless cutting action will not only make the job easier, but it will be fun too. You can purchase the CaNibble directly from the manufacturer online at www.canibbletools.com for massive savings. And with our 5-year worldwide guarantee, you'll be confident that your CaNibble will stand the test of time. The CaNibble, the powerful and versatile professional nibbler with the patented cutting action designed to make countless cutting jobs easier, faster, and safer. A nibbler made in the spirit of days gone by, when things were made to last.
Stripped screws and broken driver bits are a waste of time. Introducing Impact Gold, the new innovation from MAKITA that lasts 10 times longer than standard driver bits. Engineered for both impact drivers and drills, extreme torsion technology is built for your most demanding jobs. Superior manufacturing keeps the MAKITA Impact Gold bit in the center of the fastener, and with fully accurate fitment and no gaps. MAKITA Impact Gold is engineered to minimize cam out, so they're ideal for your hard-working impact driver. Impact Gold's bit lock and torsion function equals less wobble and lasts 10 times longer than standard steel bits. MAKITA Impact Gold, the new gold standard in impact driving. MAKITA introduces new innovation in fastening, Impact Gold insert bits. Extreme torsion technology is built for your most demanding jobs. Superior manufacturing keeps the MAKITA Impact Gold bit in the center of the fastener, and with fully accurate fitment and no gaps, so Impact Gold bits last 10 times longer than standard steel bits. MAKITA Impact Gold, the new gold standard in impact driving. MAKITA introduces new innovation in fastening, Impact Gold, double-ended power bits. Extreme torsion technology is built for your most demanding jobs. Superior manufacturing keeps the MAKITA Impact Gold bit in the center of the fastener, and with fully accurate fitment and no gaps. Engineered for both impact drivers and drills. With magnetic tips, these double-ended power bits are simply a must-have. 2 bits on one convenient accessory. MAKITA Impact Gold, the new gold standard in impact driving. MAKITA introduces new innovation in fastening, Impact Gold, debris-free nut setters. Impact Gold debris-free nut setters stay cleaner longer than standard magnetic nut setters. The ring fit engineered into Impact Gold nut setters gives you all the holding power of a magnet without the debris buildup. Simply put, Impact Gold's nut setter outperforms standard nut setters. MAKITA Impact Gold, the new gold standard in impact driving. MAKITA introduces new innovation in fastening, Impact Gold, ultramagnetic insert bit holder. Attach the insert bit holder and get the advantage of ultramagnetic rare earth neodymium. It has 2 times the magnetic strength over standard bit holders and the convenience of one-handed operation with no cam out, even at 2300 RPM. MAKITA Impact Gold, the new gold standard in impact driving. MAKITA introduces new innovation in fastening, Impact Gold, tilt socket adapter. MAKITA Impact Gold socket adapters tilt up to 15 degrees, great for use in tight work areas. These versatile adapters also work great in the straight position. No need to carry 2 adapters. One Impact Gold adapter does it all. MAKITA Impact Gold, the new gold standard in impact driving.
With the unique tile meter marking measures from Hultafors, you can measure and mark without taking a reading, and a lot more. Take an external measurement. The firm brake keeps your measurement. And thanks to the marking edges, you can transfer the measurement and make a mark right on your workpiece. If you mark on plasterboard, you can even snap it directly. Fold out the extender, and you can take internal measurements and transfer and mark directly without having to read the scale. What's more, you can also trace arcs with the diameter you want. With the 2 and 3 meter models of the tile meter, it's also easy to measure diameters, using the scale on the reverse side of the tape. Then just trace an arc and fit the pipe. The 6 meter model of the tile meter comes with other unique functions, like a horizontal scale on the reverse side of the tape, making it easier to read when taking vertical measures. It also has a brake function, featuring release, auto lock and brake, and a convenient belt clip with quick release function, so that you can release the 6 meter tile meter with just one hand. So get ready to take your measuring further with a tile meter marking measure from Hultafors.
Now, chainsaw, gotta get it started first. Now, once you get it started, you're cutting back branches at you. That doesn't look safe to me. And you're cutting down into the ground, which can dull your blade, so you get that kickback like that. There really is nothing safe about using an exposed blade chainsaw.
You won't have to worry about any of that with the JawSaw. The JawSaw cleans up this mess in seconds. It starts as quick as you can squeeze the handle. There's no kickback. You can cut all the way to the ground, and you're safe the entire time because the blade is enclosed in the jaw.
And look how easy Robin made that look.
With the
Welcome to today's Rockler demo. Today we're going to do a little spring cleaning and show you 5 new tools that you may have missed. Now these tools really are unrelated. They're from all different categories, but we're betting you're going to see at least one that you could use in your shop. Let's get started. Does this look familiar? For too many of us, lumber storage is an afterthought. We just lean or pile our lumber or scraps in whatever open space is convenient. And I get it, I'm as guilty of this as anyone. I was more interested in building projects than I was in thinking about lumber storage. But I think you'll find if you take a little time and install a proper lumber rack, you'll love the results. Not only will you have more space and clean up your shop, but you'll also be able to actually find the boards you're looking for. Now our new lumber racks are the perfect solution. They're easy to install and they hold a whole lot of lumber. We offer 2 racks, a 4-tier rack that has 25-inch uprights and a 6-tier rack that has 41-inch uprights. Each tier is just under 12 inches deep and 6 inches high and is rated to hold up to 110 pounds of material. And we intentionally limited the height between the tiers to 6 inches so that you can't bury your lumber so deep that it's hard to get at the stuff on the bottom. And you know, you don't have to just store lumber on this. You could store all kinds of large objects in your garage, such as skis or surfboards or ladders. So if you're still storing your lumber on the floor or in a corner, consider getting yourself a new lumber rack. Every shop needs a good set of chisels, and depending on the types of projects you work on, you might need more than one set. I actually have more chisels than I care to admit. No matter what kind of projects you enjoy, every woodworker should have a set of versatile and sturdy bench chisels that can take on just about any task. And that's just what this 5-piece chisel set from Rockler is. They feature chrome vanadium steel that will hold a sharp edge, and through tangs and steel striking caps, which easily handle heavy chopping, even with a steel hammer. The handles are contoured for comfort and feature inserts for a sure grip. And if you're looking for individual chisels, you can purchase these same chisels in sizes from 1/8 to 1.5 inch. This set also includes a two-sided oil sharpening stone and a honing guide that make it easy to keep your chisels sharp and ready to use. The one thing I'll note is this stone is fairly coarse. It's 120 grit on one side, 240 on the other, which is great for removing a lot of material or bad chips. But if you want to truly hone and polish a razor sharp edge, I recommend getting a finer stone or a kit like our plate glass sharpening system that includes a flat sheet of glass and a set of fine grit peel and stick sandpaper sheets that range from 800 to 2000 grit. This is one of the easiest and most economical systems for honing a sharp edge. It works great. One of the most frustrating problems with dust collection is trying to connect tool ports and hoses that are not the same size. It's a problem that is often solved with an excessive use of duct tape. For smaller tools, the solution can be our FlexiPort hose kit. But for larger tools or the hoses you already have, this new stacking dust port adapter set includes 3 adapters that can be used individually or combined to connect hoses up to 4 inches in diameter to tool ports as small as 1.25 inch diameter, plus a wide range of sizes in between. Both ends of each adapter are clearly inscribed with the compatible hose fitting or the outside diameter. Use individually or combine sets of 2 in 5 different ways for broad compatibility you won't find anywhere else. And when not needed, you simply stack them up for convenient, compact storage. My favorite feature of these new quick lever clamps is this adjustable tension control wheel that lets me dial in just the right amount of clamping force, and the way that patented quick lever clamping mechanism positively clicks to secure my workpiece, delivering up to 660 pounds of clamping force, and then easily releases with the flick of this lever. They're also tough. The clamp body is die-cast aluminum with carbon steel bar and thermoplastic rubber pads. These quick lever clamps are available in 4 sizes from 6-inch to 24-inch capacities, and this inline clamping handle can come in handy in tight spaces. And last but certainly not least, along with your tape measure, this may be the most used tool in any workshop, the mighty pencil. And this Rockler No. 2 HB pencil gives you smooth performance in layout and writing. We all want a pencil that works well, but there's something about a pencil that also looks good. It's available in packs of 5 or in a 3-pack that includes the Rockler magnetic pencil keeper and a sharpener. The keeper features a built-in rare earth magnet that clings to steel and iron surfaces like power tools or your refrigerator. It also features a clip that keeps your pencil from sliding out of your shirt or apron pocket. So there you have it, 5 new tools from Rockler that you might have missed. I hope you saw something today that will make your woodworking more enjoyable. I'm Dan Carey from Rockler and Woodworkers Journal. Thanks for watching.
If you're in the market for a new router table, but you're feeling lost in all the component options, Rockler has a new online tool that can help. We'll click our way through it in this demo video. A router table is unlike most other machines in a wood shop because you can customize it just the way you want it. There are different kinds of tables, fence systems, choices for hanging the router itself, and base options. And those are just the major pieces. Then there's a whole bunch of accessory options to consider too, which is a good thing. But if you've searched Rockler's website for router table supplies before, there's a lot of information to process because Rockler is an industry leader in routing and router table supplies. Well, if what you want to do is to narrow all those options down quickly, Rockler's new online router table configurator makes the shopping process easier than ever. To get started, just go to rockler.com/router-tables. Here, you have the option to either select one of Rockler's popular router table packages or build your own unique router table package piece by piece. So, just for fun, let's build our own router table package by clicking on that button. Step 1 of the configurator is to choose a top for our new router table. We have 3 options: a high-pressure laminated top, a phenolic top, or a cast iron top. The configurator shows you the price of each router table top option and how it basically looks. And if you want more information about those 3 options, you can click on the Read More link at the top to go directly to that product page. So let's choose a high pressure laminate top for our router table, like this one, and then click on Next Step. And now for step 2, we're going to choose a fence system for our router table. Here we've got 3 options for fences: Rockler's basic router table fence, the Pro router table fence, or the Pro Max router table fence. Notice that as you click on each of the 3 options, you're running tally changes to help keep you updated about the total cost. Let's choose the Pro Max fence for our router table and then click Next Step. There are many different options for hanging a router from a router table. It can be as simple as a phenolic or aluminum plate like this, where you manually move the router up and down. Or choose a gear-driven router lift like this Pro Lift from Rockler for maximum fine-tuning and control. You'll choose from among many plate or lift options on step 3 of the configurator, then click on Next Step. In step 4 of the configurator, you'll choose a stand for your router table, like my steel stand here. Or you can opt to not buy a stand if you'd rather build a base for your router table yourself. Step 5 of the configurator will help you choose accessories for your router table, like these, and there are a bunch. But remember, you can learn about any of these products in more detail by clicking on the Read More link that will take you directly to their product pages. Clicking Next Step brings us to our 6th and final step, which is reviewing our package and adding it to our shopping cart. You're all set to place your order to get that new router table up and running. And if you're still uncertain about which accessories to buy, I've made a video that covers 5 of my favorites. Or maybe you like the look of this router table cabinet I built for my Rockler router table. Well, I've got another video that covers its features, and we'll link to both of those in the description. So I hope you enjoy shopping for your new router table. I'm Chris Marshall with Rockler and Woodworker's Journal magazine, and thanks for watching.
Please listen and watch this real screwdriving demonstration. Screwdrivers that don't hold up, tools that don't cut it, inefficient systems that damage screws, bits and surfaces. Stop the madness. Choose the MAGNETDRIVER from now on. The real revolution in the world of DIY. The secret is in the powerful magnetic ring inside a special soft and flexible sleeve, which makes the MAGNETDRIVER patented system like no other. Place the magnet drive in your screwdriver or power driver bit, like so, and be amazed. Once you match the magnet driver to the color-coded power bit, position the screw and stick the magnet driver against the screw's head. Then place the power bit inside the drill until the magnet driver rests in place. Now start screwing and watch carefully. The magnet driver compresses gently to embed the countersunk screw into the wood. Now drive with the magnet driver until the surface is totally in contact with the screw. The screw stays there. Impressive, right? That's the power and efficiency of MAGNETDRIVER. Now you've got an extra hand. Your work will never seem so easy. And it's so simple that everyone can use it. The MAGNETDRIVER adapts to all kinds of screws, screwdrivers, and bits for power drivers. And there's a color for each size. Well thought, don't you think? Look how much time and efficiency you gain in this screw driving sequence. You can screw perpendicularly and increase your strength and performance. The binding power is so strong because your tools and the MAGNETDRIVER form a single body. We even driven into a ceiling with a much heavier power driver. Look at this. This is the efficiency of the MAGNETDRIVER. Even when it comes to deeply sunken screws, the MAGNETDRIVER adapts to all situations without damaging surfaces. Even in confined or inaccessible spaces where work used to be impossible, MAGNETDRIVER is still on your side. Did you get that? You gain strength and power. The images speak for themselves. It's amazing and one of a kind. The possibilities are endless. The Magnet Driver links instantly. Equip your screwdrivers and power bits with the Magnet Driver from now on. The Magnet Driver will lend a hand. It's always the right tool. Projects will be simpler from installation drywall to mechanic work. The Magnet Driver is essential. The high-powered neodymium magnet will always be on your side. It's fantastic. You'll save time and money. Everybody uses Magnet Driver for all types of jobs. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned professional, you will benefit from the Magnet Driver. The new revolution in the world of DIY. From the workshop to the home, in the garage, on the job site, or in the garden, the Magnet Driver is simply great. With the Magnet Driver system, screwing has never been so easy. The Magnet Driver is a product of MICATON.
We decided to design a multi-tool that combines all of our favorite features into an ultra-low profile tool that we call the Titanium Pocket Tool. This new tool is made from aerospace grade 5 titanium alloy. Despite its minimal name and appearance, this new pocket tool is extremely versatile and lets us do more and carry less.
Hi Kickstarters, I'm Joe.
I'm Chadwick.
We're excited to be back here with our newest project, the Titanium Pocket Tool.
It's a cool multi-tool that combines our favorite tools into one, and it doesn't take hardly any space in your pocket. Thanks for checking it out.
Thanks for watching the video and sharing with your friends. If you have any questions, please send us a message. We'll be happy to get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you.
Thank you.
Measurements are integral to our everyday lives, but they can put us into risky and tricky situations or require someone else to help gauge those lengthy distances. But here's a change by MagPiTech VH80. Now, you can get out of that risky spot and don't need a helping hand to determine long distances. VH80 measures in not one, but two directions. From one press of a button, you can acquire the left, right, and total value at once, saving you precious time and energy on every move, and allowing you to work with greater efficiency by making you the focal point. Also, your measurements can be instantly updated to your smart device with our Sketch application, where you can design and plan for any projects. VH80's additional functions enable you to use continuous measuring mode to find midpoints, Pythagoras function to reach heights, and calculate the area and volume of any space. Life made easier. VH80 by MagPiTech. We take that extra step so you don't have to.